Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how the CRMs are on Monday.com. To begin, as you can see, basically this is our CRM setup, so let's change this to CRM. So as you can see right here, this is our title. We named it CRM. Now we have the main table and we have the Kanban. We don't have to worry about that right now. What we have to worry about is our active deals and closed one. So the active deals right here, as you can see, we have deal name number 1. Let's change it to office renewal, and $1 million sign up. And let's do deal number 3, Bugatti, and that's it. So as you can see, the stage where it's at can be changed. You can also start a conversation if you want to, but you don't have to do that for now. See, the stage is one of the most important. We can do new, discovery, proposal, negotiation, won, lost. Let's say on office renewal has been won, quote, and as you can see, it's gone. So that is just how it's done. So let's put this to negotiation, and let's put this to new. As you can see here on the stage, it will show the two. So you see 50% negotiation, 50% new. So depending on what you have, it's going to show you the percentage. From there, as you can see, you can add an owner, or there might be an owner. There isn't. Now, for the deal, the contacts are going to be Phoenix Levy or whoever it is. So for the $1 million deal, we have Phoenix Levy as the contact, and for the Bugatti, we have Elaine Kraus. Priorities can also be changed from here. So we can do the $1 million deal high, but the Bugatti can be low. Alongside that, here we have the deal length. This can be changed depending on how many days left. As you can see, this is code, so we don't want to touch it. So if stage equal 1, constate name, days, close date of deal creation date, total days, round days today, deal creation. Now, I'm not sure if we can change the amount of days. Unfortunately, we can't. And as you can see, here's the deal value. So as you can see, we said $1 million deals. Let's do 1,0,0,0,0,0. And as you can see, this time has gone up. Bugatti, do 3,2,0,0,0,0. One more zero because Bugatti is quite expensive. So 4.2 million sum. Next up, we can add a close date. So let's do 26. And this will be March 17th. Deal creation date, as you can see, with January 22 and January 28. That can be changed. So now in total, the point of this is how well it's organized. We have the organization of the stage, the owner, which would be the contacts, the priority, the deal length, the deal value, close date, creation date, etc. Now the closed one, as you can see, let's add a deal. Let's do something random, alright? If I say that this is 1, as you can see, this is about to be transferred over here. So this is our 1. Sum, as you can see, we've won 278,000 sum win in total. So in general, it can be very well made like this. Now this is just a CRM tab. Let's go to my contacts. As you can see here, we have the contacts for our CRM system. We have Phoenix Levy, Madison Doyle, and Elaine Kraus. Now this is a customer, this is a customer, and this is a partner. You can change depending on what you want. So vendor. So now come down here. 66.7 are customers, and 33.3 are vendors. So you can see here are the emails, the company, the deals, and the phone numbers. I'm not sure if these are real. Don't try calling them. And the title. Alongside that here, you can add a comment. Phoenix Levy. Very annoying to work with, but high payment. And we can do very kind and loving towards her co-workers. And this can be lazy but very smart. And that's our contacts. So from there, let's go to the Getting Started tab. And as you can see, here is where we can write stuff. So getting started with the deal tracker template, etc. It's basically showing us how to do it. So let's add our own. Let's do normal text, and we can do this is not for sale, or we can add new boards. Really, we can do anything we want. Let's go to articles. There's multiple things you can do. Now, alongside all of these comes the most important tool of all, the sales dashboard. As you can see right here, this dashboard is about to show you everything that you've done this entire time. You want to make sure you keep your eyes on this. So average value of one deals, 92 million. Or 92,000, I'm not sure. 92,000. So now this is average function. You can do sum. So this is the average because it shows an average. But let's say we want to change this to sum. Then we can come here and press on sum, and that's 278,000. Actual revenue, so this is it. So let's do average, and you come here, press on average. Now the sales pipeline is right here. As you can see, we've won 66.7, new are 16.7, and negotiations are 16.7. Quite organized. And actual revenue by month, deals 1. As you can see, January we've done 2, February we've done 2 as well, so it's even. Charts basically. Now from here, we have deals progress based on month added. On December, as you can see, we've only made 2. January 2023, we've made 1 negotiations, 1 new, and 1 1. February, we've only made 1 1, so that's bad. Then here, see where everything stands at a glance. Here, you can write whatever you want. So, our outline on our workspace this year has been very frustrating, but worth every penny. Sales revenue is gone up by over 30% and allowed our company to shine. Alongside that, Shane has been employee of the month for the past 4 months and will be getting a pay raise, etc. You can really write anything you want. It's up to you. So that is how to manage CRM. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Other than that, I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.